You ready? I'm Tori Connolly, and I'm in Jesus, the Great Physician's office. And I wrote a jingle. Oh yeah, we do it all here. This is a writer's studio too. It's a lab, and we cook books here. You know, we have the recipe for good books based upon the Bible, that kind of cooking books. Oh, I wrote a jingle. Open up a book and open up the world. Ooh. Hold on. Open up a book and open up a world. Man or woman, boy or girl. Take you places that you've never been. So exciting you won't want it to end. And the end is only the beginning. Yeah. With Jesus Christ, you know we're winning. Yeah, yeah. Open up this book and open